Bigyan mo naman kami ng name ng crush mo.
Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Thinking.
Siyempre may napapanood ka naman mga kapamilya actress.
Siguro, for now, they're all pretty, pero siguro si Janela.
Ay, oh my God, kasama ko si Janela kanina. Si Janela nandyan lang sa 3rd floor.
Cool.
Baka makita mo siya.
So, all in? So, James, ano ka?
I'm not really familiar with some artists, pero I can see si Janela Salvador.
Okay.
Sino ba ang kanilang showbiz crush?
Di lang lahat sila single daw eh.
Oo eh.
Sige, James, ano ikaw na una?
Siyempre, all the girls are very attractive, pero
Pwedeng local, pwedeng international. Ayan.
international si Kendall Jenner.
Kendall Jenner. O sa local, sino?
Local, si Janela.
Janela Salvador! Ang laki ng reaction ko, Taz.
Oo, mukhang alam ko na yan
So, taken na eh.
Taken na eh. Sabi mo na.
Ikaw ba? Sino gusto mo? Si Jameson.
Wala pa, nag-iisip eh. Taken kasi siya.
Bakit? Si Janela pa rin ba yan? Taken ba si Janela?
Di kay Elmo ka. Kay Elmo, hindi siya taken. Kay Elmo pala. At least feedback siya.
Si Zeus.
Sino naman ang gusto mo?
Gusto mo bang makatrabaho si Janela Salvador sa isang project? Totoo ba showbiz crush mo siya?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Can James have a mic? Okay, so sure?
Sure.
Why not?
Why not?
Walang magsiselos?
Yeah, wala. Sana.
Wala sana.
Sana wala.
Okay, but is she your crush?
Yeah, I had a crush on her for a pretty long time, but then, bahala na.
Pero nakikita ba kayo?
Yeah, I've seen her a couple of times.
Do you know each other? Are you
Yeah,
friends?
we know each other. We're not really that friends. Well,
How
we
do
say
you
hi.
behave in front of your crush?
Well, it's pretty hard. Like,
Hard, no?
Well, I say hi, and I try to be
As normal as
normal as possible and everything. I can do it, but then, when I can see she's too busy, I'm like, okay, alright. At least I got a hi.
At least she knows now.
Oh, nga.
From
Siguro like older pwede naman, maybe a year, maybe by a year or two. Ha? wala pa naman.
Sige, nakaka-showbiz crush na lang.
Lagi kong sinasabi yung showbiz crush ko eh, paulit-ulit eh.
Ano nga?
Sino? Wala kang nakalimutan ko ulit.
Well, si Janela, attractive naman siya. Si Janela, cute naman siya.
Hindi watch ba?
Hindi pa.
Kaya lang may ginagawa siya.
Oh, it's okay, yeah. I mean, parang that was my, before pumasok ko sa showbiz, parang siya yung crush ko.
Nakapag-usap na kayo or...
Hi lang, gano'n. Awkward lang. Hi lang, hi, hello, beso, gano'n. Pero never ko siya naging like, nag-usap kami or kwentuhan, gano'n, wala pa. Maybe in time. Maybe after this.
Okay lang kunyari parang third year ka sa love team nila.
Pwede. Basta kasama siya sa project. Okay lang sa akin.
Ano meron kay Janela? Bakit siya gusto mo?
Well, I like her beauty. Yung mga girls, they have their own kind of beauty, diba? So, and I like her. So she's cute and she's really pretty. But I never really got to know her, like her personality. So I can't judge yet. I can't say na parang I would like to work with her na full on kasi I never met her. I don't know her personality as a person yet. So maybe in time when I say longer here in the industry, if ever.